Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe with you. Today's recipe is from HelloFresh, and it's a zucchini and mozzarella panini. So here's what the recipe card looks like. Super easy. All the meals are in their own bag, so you don't have to hunt and dig for ingredients. And this is a 2-person meal. You can increase it to a 4-person meal, and you could go back and forth if you need to change it. Totally customizable. You could just edit the settings. It's very easy to use. You could skip for a week or 2 or 3 weeks or many months if you want. So very customizable. The first thing I did was drizzle some oil on my roasting sheet and added my sweet potatoes. Then I'm going to add half of the Italian seasoning, some salt and some pepper. And I roasted that for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then I proceeded to chop and dice everything else. And then I made the sauce, which consists of mayonnaise, sour cream, parsley, chives, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Just add everything to the bowl, mix it up, and set it aside. I like to do all the prep work at the very beginning, and they pretty much instruct you to do that. Sometimes the sauces are later in the recipe, but I like to kind of do everything up front. Then I have the zucchini. I added the rest of the garlic pepper to that, the rest of the Italian seasoning, some olive oil, salt and pepper, and then gave that a good mix and heated up some oil in a pan. I laid those out in a single layer for about 2 to 4 minutes. I cooked those. And then I went ahead and flipped them over and cooked them for another about 4 minutes. When you're done with that, you can start putting the sauce on all of the bread. Then you could sprinkle it with some cheese. And when you're done with that, you can add the sun-dried tomatoes. And then top it with the zucchini. And then you're gonna heat up that pan again, a little bit of oil in it, and add both of the sandwiches. And then you could either use a spatula to press it down, or you could put a heavy pot on top of it. And then flip it over to toast the other side, and then you're done. Super easy, super delicious, and all these recipes you can find online. You don't even have to subscribe to them if you don't want to, but I will link everything below in the description box, including a referral link in case you'd like to try HelloFresh. You get a big discount off your first box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.